In today's video, we're going to talk about green vegetable, which is also called bitter melon or karela. It is low in calories. It is very rich in vitamin A and C. And as we all know that vitamin A and C are quite good for skin, for hair. It is anti-aging. It also prevents acne. It has so many minerals like potassium and iron. It is antioxidant. It keeps us free from many diseases. It produces antibodies in our body naturally that protect our body and our immune system from various diseases. It is also called as liver cleanser, and it's good for digestion. It is also good for cardiac patients, for cancer, and for also weight loss. It is a natural blood purifier. It's also good for eyes, like if you have dark circles, you can consume it either in the form of vegetable or in the form of juice. It's equally good in both the cases. It also fight against the stomach worm, stomach pain. It has quite few disadvantages. If we talk about the red seeds, we shouldn't consume its red seeds, and also it should be avoided in pregnancy. If you find this video helpful, do like, share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.